I have tried so many magnetic lashes and I was not impressed. It's not what I expected. I'm going to introduce it to you guys. Very easy, very lightweight. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This video is actually for magnetic lashes, for traveling and for everyday, for party or something like that. I'm actually really impressed about it. Is because I have tried so many magnetic lashes and I was not impressed. I have magnetic lashes on my cabinet that I only use it once because it's not what I expected, so I stick with something that I'm used to. But this one guys, I'm going to introduce it to you guys. Very easy, very lightweight. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. There's a clip that I'm going to show you guys when I put the liquid liner for this one, for magnetic, and also when I put this lashes. But before I start that, I wanted to show you guys what is the box. I received it 2 days ago. I was touching the synthetic hair for this one is because I'm really picky about the way the lashes, but this one is actually has that beautiful soft lash. It's very lightweight, fine, synthetic. I really like how they did really good on this one. Although it's my first time using this, actually I was really impressed that this is how great it is. Lashes. I am wearing that lashes right now, so that's why I can't show you guys inside in here, but this is what look like inside. This is the liquid liner that comes with it. You actually purchase separate for this one and you can use it over and over until it's gone. This one is very soft. It's really easy to work on. I'm really happy with this magnetic liner. It's so easy. It's like 1 second guys. It's right there already. Remove it again. Look how easy this lashes is.
Wow.
There. I just move this down below right there. It's done. That's how easy this lashes is. My eyes look so pretty. I'm really happy about this lashes. It's not too big to my eyes. The synthetic of this hair is very lightweight. It's actually really heavy duty magnetic. I can pull these lashes, it doesn't come off right away. I think this is gonna be my favorite magnetic lashes. This is the other side of the lashes. The way it was sit on these lashes is just amazing. You can wear some really simple eyeshadow with this one and it gives you a nice beautiful volume. So there you go guys. As you guys can see on this video how much I love about these lashes. There is more lashes in there that you guys can try on. I will guarantee you guys that there are beautiful lashes guys. Make sure that you look through every single detail on what they have in a website before you guys purchase it. But if you do guys purchase that in this lashes, make sure that you get something that you guys would wear every day because you would love it. I've been using lashes for like years and years. This one is my first magnetic lashes that I'm going to love. And one great thing about this one guys is that you can wear this traveling. So if you travel all the time, this one is a perfect lashes for your traveling because it's so easy, it's so lightweight, and it gives you the beautiful eyes that you always wanted to. And of course it comes with a beautiful back. I can just always put a back in here and good to go. So guys, this is the website for the Blushberry.com, and this is the site guys that you can go to and look for the lashes that will fit for you guys. And so just click the shop right here they do offer a lot of different style, and the prices will fit on your budget. So they do have a individual that you can purchase right in here, and they're on sale too. So it's like 214 and then it's 150 now. Okay, this is the individual, guys. These lashes that you can purchase, each one, they're $25. Actually, it's pretty worth it. If you don't have the liquid eyeliner, I would suggest to buy the set. I wanted to get this Wild Facts. I would probably order a lashes in here anytime soon. So I hope you guys like the review, and check it out. Check out this website. You guys will not disappointed. So bye, see you guys next time.